Hey everyone, this is Inder Singh here, and in this video I'll be telling you some tips how to get job as a fresher, right? To start with, so I'll be basically dividing this video into three broad categories: how to get job as a college graduate, how to get job once you're out of the college, and what happens if nothing happens. All right. To start with, as a college graduate, please understand that it is very important to get job in the field that you want to work for. Alright, even if though the pay is not good, but you will definitely get experience and learnings, and with that you can definitely switch to a better role in future. Alright. Focus on getting pointers at least above the minimum requirement to sit for an interview, because some companies are very specific about it, on the focus on the marks, because they do not have any other criteria to judge you upon. All right, and just imagine how worst it would feel that if you're a deserving candidate and not able to sit for interview because of not having those marks. All right. Also work on your presentation skills and speaking skills, as it is equally important, right? Getting placed in college is not really difficult if you follow some points that I'll be telling in a few moments, right? So focus on clearing your fundamentals, practice programming occasionally, daily, I'll say, right, as it will be required when once you get job as well. Prepare for the previous year interviews of the company that you are applying for, right? Because there are a lot of websites, for example Geeks for Geeks. I was able to clear my SAP interview because I had read the previous year experience, and it helped me a lot. Have mock interview with your friends, or on online, like interview bits. Do internship if it is possible, because it adds to your experience, and if you perform decent enough in your internship experience, you might get pre-placement offer as well. Though the college time is the best time of your life, but please do not waste it recklessly, right? Because you do not want to spend your next 1 or 2 years searching for a job, and at that time you might regret it. Utilize this time judiciously to create your brand, right? To do something that you really want to do, follow your passion, but at the same time ensure that you have those minimum grades. Okay, so getting the job in college is the easiest and the best way, I'll say, to be placed, right? Because the companies come to your campus, and then you are the most fresh batch to hire from. All right. Believe me, the outside world, if you're not placed, is not that easy, right? So that's all. The conditions apply here, right? So that's all for the graduate students. Like, the next is what to do if you are like out of college and you are still a fresher. So just a heads up, the journey might not be as simple as in college days, because since you do not have an experience, you might not be able to apply to the companies. So and then since you do not because you do not have the experience, you do not have the job, and because you do not have the job, you do not have the experience. So it's like a vicious cycle, right? So, but there are some key points that might help you, like a focus on clearing your fundamentals, understanding the concepts, or you can apply to the career websites like Naukri.com. All right, keep updating your profile there every day. I think the ranking platform sorts based on the freshness of the profile, right? The next pointers can reach out to the recruiters directly via LinkedIn. For me, I got one of my interview scheduled by reaching out to the recruiter directly. All right. Temporarily, you can move to a high-tech city like Hyderabad or Bangalore. It might help you in searching for jobs, and also you'll have to attend the interviews or apply to startups. All right. The next thing is you could register to some academic institutes where they teach you and then prepare you for the interviews, and they also bring companies to their institute, and so you can sit there. But yeah, generally the pay is not high over there, and the competition is steep. But then if you're talented enough, you should be able to make it through. All right. So these were some tips, like if you're out of college. So the next is what happens if nothing happens. Like, what next? So there are still some couple of options that you can choose from. Like, you could go for higher studies. This is the safest way. Like, and from college you could get placed in like another companies. And it will definitely increase your knowledge, also domain knowledge also. The next best option is prepare for the government job if you are interested in. The other option is like you could start your own business, something, or take care of your ancestral business that you like dad like your parent do, right? Or this might be a good time actually to reflect, like if you really wanted to do this, if this was really your passion. Maybe this was never your first choice, right? But yeah, nonetheless, have faith in yourself. You'll definitely sail through it. That's all I had to say. All right. yeah, to end it, like there are still some common tips that applies to everyone, I'd say. If possible, like invest in building a profile, like contributing to the open source, or on Stack Overflow, right? The next is that you can always do freelancing. It will help you in gaining your knowledge and then earning some money out of it as well. Participate in coding events. Sometimes these events are for job opportunities as well, all right? Yeah, so those were some tips that I thought might be useful. Do let me know if there is something that I missed, or there's something that you want to add. Thanks for watching up to here. Stay safe. Thanks again. See you. Bye bye.